In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check on Progressive Insurance. If you need to review your policy, confirm your billing status, or look up a claim update, Progressive makes it possible to do all of that through your online account or mobile app. The process is straightforward, and once you know where everything is, it becomes much easier to manage your insurance information whenever you need it. To get started, go to the Progressive website or open the Progressive mobile app and sign into your account. After you log in, you'll be able to see important account details in one place. This typically includes your policy information, coverage details, billing information, insurance ID cards, and your renewal date. This is a good first stop if you simply want a quick overview of your policy and want to make sure everything is current. Next, take a moment to review your policy documents. Inside your account, you should be able to access or download your declarations page along with other policy-related documents. This is especially useful if you want to confirm the exact coverage you have, check deductibles, or save a copy of your policy records for future reference. If you're comparing coverage or preparing documents for another purpose, having these files downloaded can save time later. You can also check your payment status directly from your account. Look for the billing or payment section. There, you'll usually find your current balance, upcoming payment due dates, and your payment history. This area is helpful if you want to confirm whether a recent payment was processed or if you need to see when your next payment is scheduled. It's a simple way to stay on top of your account and avoid missing anything important. If you've already filed a claim, sign in and go to the claims section. This is where you can track the current status of your claim and review any updates. Depending on the situation, this may help you see where things stand without needing to call for a status check. It's a convenient option if you want to monitor progress and stay informed throughout the process. If you're unable to access your account or you still have questions about your policy, the next step is to contact Progressive customer service or your insurance agent for help. They can assist with account access, policy questions, billing concerns, or claim-related issues if you need more direct support. And that's how to check on Progressive Insurance. Once you know where to sign in and which sections to use, it becomes much easier to find the information